Hey everybody, Daniel Mosnet here with Cowboy Charcoal, and we've got a really simple appetizer recipe for you. So a lot of people like cheese platters and charcuterie boards and all those kinds of things outside and around your events and parties and tailgates and holidays and all the times that you need great appetizers. Well, here's an easy way to take something that you just pick up at the grocery store and kick it up like 7 notches, all right? We're gonna smoke cheese. And you really can't see too much of a difference. This is the cheese that I smoked yesterday. We've got some Gouda. I even did a little bit of blue. You can see I've got a little bit of the yellow outside. That's from the smoke. I did a little bit of sharp cheddar because I like that sharp, kind of bitey sharp cheddar. We did some Longhorn cheddar, which for me is a little bit milder. And then we also smoked a little bit of Gouda as well. So simple recipe for this. You're gonna wanna make sure you use hard cheeses. If you use soft cheeses like brie, it's probably gonna melt and it's a lot more complicated to get that smoke flavor into soft cheese. So make sure you grab some hard cheeses, just like this. I've got blue, I've got sharp cheddar, and I've got a little bit of Longhorn here. And any type of smoking vessel that you like. I'm gonna use today, just for these purposes, I'm gonna use a simple foil tray with some holes at the bottom. If you have a wood chip tray, you can use that. If you have a big piece of foil, you could just put the wood chips in the foil. And all you're gonna do is add chips to your tray. You're gonna need a few. You're probably gonna go through most of a bag of wood chips. This is gonna need to smoke for 2 to 4 hours. It just depends on your level of smoky flavor that you like. I like a particularly pronounced smoky flavor, so I let these smoke for about 4 hours. So you're gonna take your wood tray, you're gonna bring it over to your grill, and then you're just gonna light your wood chips just on one side. You don't want to light all of the chips because you're just looking for the smoke. Okay? See how we're starting to smoke there? And that's it. Now that that's starting to smoke, here's the real trick of the recipe. You take a wire rack, put it on a cooking sheet, put your cheeses on top, and then we're just going to set this right next to our wood chips. Close the top. We're gonna let that go for about 2 to 4 hours. And after that time, you're gonna have cheeses that look just about like this. And boy, do they taste great. That's amazing. You get all of that nice smoky flavor in every bite. Tastes fantastic. I smoked last night with a little bit of hickory and a little bit of apple. You can use pecan chips, you can use apple chips, cherry chips, whatever smoke flavor is your favorite, use that. And all you're trying to do is let the cheese sit in a cool place with that smoke just rolling over it for anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. So that's it. So you've got a nice, slow, simple dish. It's really easy, not complicated at all. You're just letting the smoke permeate the cheeses that you like, and you're serving it just like that. I'm Daniel Mosnet with Cowboy Charcoal. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for simple recipes like these and all kinds of great ideas for your next meal outdoors. Until next week, keep cooking with Cowboy.